everyone, and welcome to Code in Context. Are you ready to supercharge your coding workflow, create amazing projects faster? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it all for absolutely free using a powerful trio: Visual Studio Code, the incredible Cline AI coding agent, and Google Gemini. First things first, if you don't already have it, you'll need Visual Studio Code. It's a free, open source, and incredibly powerful code editor. Head over to Visual Studio Code website. Follow the installation wizard for your operating system. It's super straightforward. Once Visual Studio Code is installed, you are ready to add the magic ingredient, the Cline AI Agent extension. This is what brings the autonomous capabilities right into your IDE. On the left sidebar in VS Code, click on the extensions icon. It looks like 4 squares. In the search bar at the top of the extension view, type Cline. You should see Cline Autonomous Coding Agent pop up. Click the blue Install button. This will download and install the extension. It's completely free to use, and you only pay for the AI model tokens, which is where Gemini comes in, which gives a generous usage limit. Once installed, you'll see a new Cline icon appear in your activity bar. Click on it to open the Cline sidebar. To power Cline with Google's intelligence, we need a Gemini API key. Open your web browser and navigate to astudio.google.com/app/ikey. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you should see a blue button that says Create API Key. Click on it. Google will instantly generate an API key for you. Important, treat it like a password. Do not share it publicly. This free API key gives you access to powerful Gemini models, including Gemini 2.5 Flash, with a very generous usage limit, which is perfect for our purposes. Now let's connect Cline to your shiny new Gemini API key. In the Cline sidebar, click on the Settings icon to add an API key. Cline supports various providers. Select Google Gemini from the list, then paste your copied Gemini API key into the Gemini API key field. In the model field, I choose Gemini 2.5 Flash. You can choose the model you like. After you finish the configuration, hit the Done button. Cline should now be connected and ready to use Google Gemini for its operations. All the setup is done. Now for the fun part, vibe coding. This is where you tell Cline what you want and it leverages Gemini to make it happen. Let's create something cool. I'm going to tell Cline to create a simple landing page for my restaurant. Look at this. Now Cline starts creating our main index.html file. Before you hit save, you can review the proposed code right here in the diff view. This is awesome because you always have control. It understands that a landing page needs styling, so it's now proposing to create a style.css file. Again, I can review the CSS code it's generated. This is intelligent, multi-step execution by the AI. And it's not done. Cline knows modern web pages often have JavaScript. It's now proposing to create script.js for any interactive elements. This is truly autonomous. One more approval and our basic structure is complete. And there it is. Cline informs us the entire task is completed. We have index.html, style.css, and script.js all generated based on our single prompt. Now, to see our masterpiece, Cline execute the command open index.html on the terminal to open the landing page in the browser. Wow, in just a few seconds, with a single prompt, we'd have a functional landing page. Look at the structure, the navigation, the hero section, the placeholders for content. It's clean, well-structured, and ready for us to customize. Imagine how much time this saves. This is the power of AI-driven development. So there you have it, a completely free, powerful AI coding setup using Visual Studio Code, the Cline AI Agent extension, and Google Gemini. This combination can truly revolutionize your development workflow, boost your productivity, and help you learn faster. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you plan to build with your new AI coding superpowers.